The tree flashes and they leave. Antron leaves first. Shawn Langdon fishtails a race car and Antron Brown outruns him. 383.8 at 324 miles an hour. The team, the old masters, the guys that have been together for so many years. A moment of elation. Their last win, or first win since last year's U.S. Nationals.
Antron Brown accepts his Wally from the folks at Gerber Collision, who are our sponsor here today. Antron, you got your first victory of the season. You were solid all day long. You had a consistent car, but you need to find a little performance, and you found it in the final. What was the key to this victory here today, buddy?
Oh, man, you got to step up when you're racing a team like that in SL. Him and my son's been in numerous finals, and we know it's going to be a crazy, crazy final. Thank you, congrats. Thank you. And we know what they ran. They ran an A2, A3 there. But first of all the glory goes to God. And for Don Schumacher, our boss, our guy that got us all out here, dedicating this to him and his family. We had a special memorial this weekend for him, but another guy that's down, we're missing our crew guy, Alex. Alex, you know what's going on. This is for your dad, brother. We love you. We're missing you, man. And this is for Daddy Mark up there, brother. So one thing is so special for Matco Tools, Lucas Oil, all of our sponsors, Summit Racing, everybody. Hank's the first, Sirius XM Toyota, FVP. We love all these people, and Hanksford's, they make it happen, and all these fans here in Chicago. It feels good to be back here at Route 66, and hey, I tell you, oh, Lord have mercy, look at that. I don't know what it is, but we're not counting yet, but we're going, man. At 75, Lord have mercy. What a blessing. Mark, Brian, the Matco boys, great, great job. And it's truly blessed to be on this team, and God gets all the glory, baby. Woo!
All KB on one side, all elite on the other. And they're gone within 2 thousandths. 26 light for Glenn, 28 light for Stanfield. And at the stripe, it is going to be Dallas Glenn. 656.7, 208 miles per hour. A 10th career victory for the young man who just has loved this class his whole life and is excelling at it week by week.
Dallas Glenn about to get his 10th Pro Stock Wally right there. You know, Dallas is such a student of the sport, of the game, that he's looking at his ETA slip, and I said, you know, it doesn't matter. You won. He said, yes, it does matter. Congratulations.
Thank you. You know, man, I love this track. I love this car. I love my sponsors. I love my team. You know, I'm doing the burnout, and I back up. They're still making changes to it. I think they might need a few more cars. I think they had too much time to think about it on this one. But let me tell you, that was an awesome feeling run right there. I don't think it set down until halfway through second gear. Thing was smooth. It was straight. It was a great car. As Jerry Haas builds a one fast hot rod, Rad Torque Systems gets another win. Right on. I think that's number 10 for them. Got DPF Parts Direct, Jesse, Summit, all of them. My wife, Sadie. Yeah, this is good.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And Belushi gets out of control. Gets over on the center line. Eric Dillard, 576. 249 miles an hour. That's going to be a winner. They cut loose within 1 thou on the reaction timer. But by the time they went 40 feet, Belushi's car got up on the tire, hung a left, got up on the center line, and he had to give up the chase. Eric Dillard picks up win number 2.
Well, Jose Gonzalez is smiling right now because he just earned a ton of championship points while sitting on his couch. Thanks to Eric Dillard. Not only do you supply the power and the tuning and all these things, but you just drove to a victory and gave this man a happy, happy day. Congratulations.
I'm happy myself. I'm just humbled, man. It's crazy I could even come out here and do this, and I got to thank Jose and our team. They carried me all day. I'm just blessed to be able to come out here and race like this, and I can't thank everybody enough for supporting what we do, man. This is awesome. El General, Q80, the whole crew. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be here. I appreciate it, guys. This is a lot of fun.
Eric, I can feel the emotion in your voice right now, which is super cool, man. You're a guy who's won a lot in a lot of different categories, and you walk away and you walk in, and you make it look easy. How?
You know, it's not as easy as it looks. It's all the people behind me. This thing was on point all day. I was a little off my game. I haven't been able to drive as much lately, but at the end of the day, that's what teamwork's all about, man. We got a great team behind us, and that's why I'm so humbled to even be able to sit in here, because I got carried today, and it felt pretty good.
Congratulations. Celebrate.
Thank you. Thank you. Woo!
They leave here. It is gauged by 15 thousandths. And Gage Herrera has officially rewritten the history books of NHRA drag racing with an 8th straight victory in Pro Stock Motorcycle, 671.3 at 200. He has now surpassed Dave Schultz's mark of 7 straight wins.
Gage Herrera is now officially in the record books, 8 straight wins on a Pro Stock motorcycle. Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you very much. I mean, to get that kind of record, you know, I looked up to Dave Schultz growing up. You know, he's one of the legends of the sport. You know, I think he's what made Pro Stock Motorcycle what it is, and just to be able to, you know, be close there, you know, in that same record book as him, it's just amazing. And I got to give it all up to whole Vance and Hines Mission, Motul, Revzilla, all of them. I mean, yeah, this is not possible without them, and I can't thank all my friends for coming out. And yeah, this is for all of them. I'm excited.
The Funny Car Final at the Route 66 Nationals. They leave the starting line. Force has got cylinders out. Hagen drives away. 399.8 at 323.27 miles an hour. Matt Hagan has now collected back-to-back victories on this season, and he is making a big case for himself as he is now the points leader.
Matt Hagan accepts his 51st Wally from the folks at Gerber. And Matt, you and I talked at the beginning of the show, and it was all about 5 different drivers and 5 different races were the victors. Well, you just threw that stat out the window. What do you have to say to you and your team, for your team, to hold that Wally here today?
Well, Mark Whitney that writes the checks, he told me, he said, you made my day longer. He said, so you better go ahead and finish this thing. So apologize to his daughter for making a long day at the racetrack, but we're glad to have him here. Massive Dodge race with direct connection. If you guys want fast race car parts, check that stuff out. And I'm just glad my guys, what a tricky racetrack, man. This track is just threw us loops left and right. We got stuck in the bad lane for most of the day. And Dickie Venables, Mike Knutsis, Alec Conway, and my boys wrenching. They just did a great job, man. And I felt like I had to drive the wheels off of it today.
Congratulations.
Thank you.